this type is very important question of complex number, and the problem is the product of all the values of 1 plus I root 3 whole raised to 3 by 4 is 4 options are given. We have to find the correct option. Here we see that this complex number is of the form 1 plus I root 3 whole raised to 3 and this to the power 1 by 4. That is, this is to the power 4th root. Okay, so it has 4 values. Because nth root has n value and 4th root has 4 value of complex number. Okay, now we have to find the product of these 4 values. Now we first discuss about the form of complex number, different form of complex number. In short, the first form is a plus ib, and the second form is r into cos theta plus I sin theta, and the third form is r into e to the power I theta. This is the general form, this is polar form, and this is Euler form. We use this form of complex number to solve this type of problem very easily. Right? Now write this complex number 1 plus I root 3, and this is 2 into half plus I into root 3 by 2, and we write 2 into cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3, because cos pi by 3 means half and sin pi by 3 means root 3 by 2. Right? Now we generalizing this complex number by, or it can be written in the form 2 into e to the power I pi by 3, because theta this is equal to pi by 3. Now generalizing this complex number, we can write 2 into e to the power I into 2n pi plus pi by 3. Okay, where n this is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 to infinity. Now we have to find 1 plus I root 3 to the power 3. Okay, so this is 2 to the power 3 into half plus I root 3 by 2 to the power 3. So this is 8. This is 8 into e to the power I 2n pi plus pi by 3 whole to the power 3. So this is 8 into e to the power I into 6 n pi plus pi. Right? Now 1 plus I root 3 whole to the power 3 by 4, and this is equal to 8 to the power 1 by 4 into e to the power I into 6 n pi plus pi by 4, and here must be n, this is equal to 0, 1, 2 and 3, because there are only 4 values. Now we find the 4 distinct value of this, okay, by putting n equal to 0, 1, 2 and 3, and we get the first value is 8 raised to 1 by 4 into e to the power I into pi by 4, because n equal to 0, and the second value is 8 raised to 1 by 4 into e to the power I into, this is n equal to 1, so 7 pi by 4, and the third is 8 raised to 1 by 4 into e to the power I into 13 pi by 4, and the last one is 8 to the power 1 by 4 into e to the power I into, this is 3, 19 pi by 4. Okay, now 8 to the power 4, this is 4 times, so 8 to the power 1 by 4 to the power 4, this means 8, and e to the power I into pi by 4 plus 7 pi by 4 plus 13 pi by 4 plus 19 pi by 4. So this is 8 into e to the power I into, this is 20 and 20, 40 pi by 4. So this is 8 into e to the power I into 10 pi, right? And this is 8 into cos 10 pi plus I sin 10 pi. So this is I into, this is 1 and this is I into 0. So the value is 8 and the correct option is option C. Okay, this is the solution of this problem. Thank you for watching.